Fix Bluetooth speaker volume control not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Method 2. Set the Bluetooth speaker as default device. If that didn't work. Method 3. Uninstall the most recent Windows update. Method 4. Reconnect the Bluetooth speaker. Add your Bluetooth device again by going to the Bluetooth and Devices section. Click on the Add Bluetooth or Other Device option. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair and connect your Bluetooth device. Method 5. Check the Bluetooth support service.